a woman has been successfully cured of late-stage breast cancer after chemotherapy failed, and it's all thanks to her own immune system. The human immune system is like a personalized killing machine. It recognizes and kills anything foreign in the body with 99.999% accuracy. The remaining 0.001% may be small, but it can be fatal. For example, cancer cells are dangerously mutated cells that the immune system fails to recognize and destroy. Cancerous cells use a sort of cellular camouflage, fooling the immune system into seeing them as normal cells. Now, we may have a way to get around this and kill the cancer before it can kill us. Researchers have developed an immunotherapy to strip away this camouflage. The therapy works like a bait that tricks the immune system into recognizing cancer cells as old dying cells. Cell death is a natural process in the body, and dying cells can trigger the activation of the immune system. Researchers engineered cells to undergo a form of programmed cell death known as necroptosis. These dying cells summon the immune system to attack and kill the body's own cells. They tested this method by injecting the dying cells into the tumors of mice and found that it directed the killer immune cells to attack the cancer and slow its growth. What's more is that this is not the only trick researchers have found. Instead of injecting dying cells, researchers developed another strategy to trigger necroptosis within tumor cells themselves. They placed a gene for a necroptosis triggering enzyme into a virus and then used that virus to infect tumor cells. This also helped the immune system kill the tumors. This type of treatment has several advantages over conventional chemotherapeutic treatments. Immunotherapy enhances the immune system's ability to recognize, target, and eliminate cancer cells with generally fewer side effects. This allows it to be administered for longer periods of time. It can also be used in combination with other agents without added toxicity. In another groundbreaking study, researchers used a patient's own immune cells to fight cancer and actually cured a woman with advanced stage metastatic breast cancer. Genetic mutations in normal cells serve as triggers for cancer, causing those cells to grow out of control. Researchers identified cells from the patient's immune system that can detect these genetic mutations and are best at fighting cancer. They then grew the carefully selected immune cells by the billions in the lab and injected them into the patient's bloodstream. This army of specialized immune cells attacked and killed the cancerous cells. After the treatment, the woman's breast cancer disappeared completely. Now, after nearly 3 years, the patient is still cancer-free. While chemotherapy is often effective, it's not always permanent. If even a single cancer cell survives, it can begin to replicate and start the process of tumor building all over again. This is the first time that a patient with late-stage breast cancer has been successfully treated by a form of immunotherapy. The goal with immunotherapy is to train the immune system to hunt down and destroy every last cancer cell, including those in metastatic tumors resistant to chemotherapy. Patients are less likely to develop resistances to immunotherapy because of the immune system's ability to target multiple cancer antigens simultaneously and adapt to changing cancer cells. Our immune system has hidden weapons in its arsenal against cancer. We are nowhere close to mastering all the immune system's cancer-fighting capabilities, but progress is being made. If things keep moving in this direction, we may find that immunotherapy holds the potential to win the war against cancer.